Creating great videos. It is just common sense that you want to create the most engaging, inspirational, and informative videos that you can. After a while of creating videos for your vlog, you may well find that you can create great videos on the fly. Until you get to that stage, we recommend that you follow the steps below. Create a script. Most people just can't sit in front of a camera and talk freely about their subject. If you can, then great. If not, then the best thing to do is create a script. Think about what you want each video to achieve when planning your script. Do you want the viewer to take action after watching? The most important parts of a video are the beginning and the end. Make the start really compelling to motivate the viewer to watch all the way through. Keep in mind that most people have very short attention spans, and if you don't make a good start with your videos, then even passionate followers will not watch. You need to make the end of the video very inspiring too. This is especially important if you want them to take a specific action like visit your website. If you have no specific call to action in mind, then give them a taste of what the next video will be about. Ensure that your video script flows nicely. If you're going to show your audience how to do something, then plan out what you need to do and when. If you're recording outside, then where will you go first, second, and so on. After planning your script, then create a storyboard. If you're going to narrate over the top of the video, then practice this. Remember to keep your videos as short as you can. If a tutorial is going to be long, then break it up into 2 or 3 videos. What about equipment? Okay, we did say at the start of this training that you can make a video for your vlog with just your smartphone. You can get started this way, but there are better ways to make your videos. This all starts with a good quality camcorder. You don't need a professional digital camera to shoot your vlog videos. When your vlog is successful and you are generating revenue, then go and get a pro camera. Until then, just use a good quality camcorder that will shoot in HD. If you're going to shoot videos indoors, then you need to think about lighting. Shoot some test footage to see how good the lighting is. Invest in some lights if you need to. It is pointless spending out for a high-quality camcorder if the lighting is poor. You need a good quality microphone as well. If you create videos with poor audio quality, then you will not succeed with your vlog. For indoor recording, get a high-quality USB microphone. What about screen recording and video editing? If you're going to create tutorials, then you may want to record your computer screen. Desktop recording is easy with Camtasia, but this will cost around $200. There is a free option, which is Cam Studio. Give this a try first. Cam Studio will only work on Windows-based computers. If you have a Mac, then you can try Mac OS Mojave. There are other free screen recording applications for Macs. After shooting your video, you will need to edit it to make it the best it can be. If you have Cam Studio or Camtasia, then both of these will do a good job. There are free video editing applications available for Windows and Mac users. Windows Movie Maker is a good video editing suite for Windows users, and if you own a Mac, then use iMovie. You will find both of these applications easy to use, and you can add transitions and other features to make your videos look really great. Creating your video. Speak with passion in your voice. Don't be monotone and boring. This will drive people away faster than you can imagine. Be enthusiastic throughout the video. You can't expect your audience to be enthusiastic about your videos if you are not. If you are creating a tutorial, then provide proof that your methods really work. Show them before and after or the end result, whatever applies. If other people use your methods, then ask them to provide a video testimonial. Add as much social proof as you can. Appeal to people's emotions as much as possible in your video. Tell them how exciting it will be for them to travel to the destination you are filming in. Or tell them how beautiful they will look after using your makeup tips. Test how well your videos are received. In your mind, you have created a great video, but what really counts is what your audience thinks. You need to look at a few things here, such as how many viewers watched your video from beginning to end. If that wasn't the case for a lot of viewers, at what stage of the video did they stop watching it? Is there a problem with a certain section of the video? How many people liked the video and how many gave it a thumbs down? Read through the comments and see if there are any criticisms there. Don't take them personally. Treat them as good feedback to create better videos in the future. What can you do if your video was not well received? Well, you can either edit it to add the information that people in the comments say was missing, or you can create a new video that covers this. So now you know how to create great videos that will keep people engaged and wanting more from your vlog. Go with the majority flow. With all videos, there will always be someone that has a complaint to make. If the majority of viewers like your video, then you are on the right track. Always ask viewers of your videos to subscribe to your channel if they haven't already. Ask them to like the video as well and encourage them to leave comments so that you can create better videos in the future. Tell your viewers that your vlog is for them, so any feedback is very helpful. Do everything that you can to appeal to people's emotions. Tell them that they can do whatever you are showing them to do. Use words like exciting, fantastic, and other superlatives, and always be passionate in your videos.